major human trafficking network have busted 5 arrested and rescued as many as 88 refugees, most of them hailing from Sri Lanka and brought from Tamil Nadu.
The operation was carried out by the Mangalore police based on a tip-off. The refugees were reportedly being sent to Australia on promise of employment, and for this reason, they were brought to the city. Arrangements were being made to send them to Australia by sea route from here. The operation was busted when the police, in a joint operation with City Crime Branch, rounded up some of the accused and refugees from Bandar, Mangalore. On interrogation, it was learned that many more were staying at a lodge in Dharmasthala. Thereafter, with the help of Beltangadi police, a raid was carried out and the rest of the refugees were rescued. It is also learned that the 5 accused had taken ₹1 lakh each from the Sri Lankan refugees by promising to provide them jobs in Australia. The refugees came from refugee camp in Chennai, Bhavani Sagar, Bhavanaram. Among the 88 accused are 29 men, 22 women, 18 male children and 19 female children. The arrested are identified as 40-year-old Doringanet, 38 years Nick son Darwin, both residents of Tamil Nadu, 46 years from Chennai, hailing from Sri Lanka, 31 years Kannan, a resident of Ramananthapuram district. A woman and a 10-year-old daughter met a watery grave at Region Sadka, Kasaragod here. The deceased are 36-year-old Saraswati, wife of Sanjeeva from Kannathodi, and her daughter 10-year Anjali. They died in a nearby stream. The mishap took place when they had been to their ancestral house for Daiva Kola. It is learned Saraswati drowned in the process of trying to save her daughter Anjana, who had stepped into the stream along with a friend and was washed away. Though locals, on hearing screams, rushed to the spot, they could not rescue the mother and daughter. Authorities have seized 500-gram ammonium nitrate used recently to carry out blasts from Kolar district of the state. Officials said the huge seizure of the chemical widely used to make explosives was made yesterday by an election commission appointed flying squad developed to check illegal activities in a run up to the May 5th polls in the state. They said the team seized 25 bags, each containing 20-gram ammonium nitrate, and arrested one person named Mehboob from Kolar district. The bag shows that the chemical was made in South Korea, a senior official said. Meanwhile, the total cash seized till now is ₹11.80 crores, while a total of 49,132 litres of illegal liquor have been seized in the poll-bound state.
Now once again the main headlines. BJP set world record in corruption, Rahul Gandhi told public in Haveri. Set aside the ego, bring back to B.S. Yediyurappa, firebrand Uma Bharati told to BJP. Five arrested, 88 refugees rescued, human trafficking network busted. Kasaragod tragedy, mother-daughter met with watery grave. Ammonium nitrate used for blast, 500 kilometers seized by EC team in Kolar. This is all in this edition. For more news, keep watching V4 News 24/7 or may also log on to v4news.com.